The world is going virtual. Virtual reality or VR apps are exploding in popularity, and businesses are getting on board. As you can see, from Oreo to Puma, brands all over the world are exploring and using the power of VR to their advantage. But why? What makes these apps stand out? VR apps are useful across multiple industries, as they let the users immerse in any scenario or surroundings by using the magic of mixed reality graphics. Top virtual reality apps like Google Earth VR, World, OpenBrush, Vermilion, etc. offer their users a range of features like increased customer engagement, competitive business edge, increased revenue, enhanced customer support, increased brand recognition, and better efficiency and productivity. Virtual reality is bringing a new era to the app development ecosystem. Developers are exploring more and more possibilities every day. Hence, it's safe to say the market and demand for this industry will only increase. So, is this a good time to tap into this market? 100%. But how do you build a VR app that stands out in a crowded marketplace? Enter visionOS, the revolutionary platform for creating next-level VR experiences. visionOS isn't just another VR development platform. It's built to be ridiculously easy to use. Forget mountains of code. We're talking drag-and-drop interfaces, intuitive tools, and a whole lot of aha moments. visionOS is perfect for anyone who wants to jump into VR development, especially creative entrepreneurs with a killer VR idea. But ease of use isn't all visionOS has going for it. It's packed with powerful features that let you create truly immersive experiences. We're talking eye tracking, spatial audio, the ability to integrate real-world objects, the whole shebang. Imagine building a VR app where users can explore a virtual museum and actually feel like they're standing in front of the exhibits. Or a VR training simulation so realistic you forget it's not real. With visionOS, the possibilities are endless. And now, here's the real kicker. visionOS is built for the future. It is cross-platform compatible, which means your VR app can work seamlessly across different headsets, including the awesome Apple Vision Pro. Now that we're all caught up with its features, let's check what's ticking under the hood. Buckle up, because we're about to get techie. visionOS is like a VR chef. It takes familiar ingredients, stuff you might already know from building iPhone apps, and mixes them with some secret sauce to cook up mind-bending MR experiences. It's actually surprisingly straightforward. We'll be using Xcode, your one-stop shop for building incredible apps. Just open Xcode and head to New Project, and here's where the magic begins. Choose visionOS to embark on your AR adventure. Next up, let's personalize your project. In the following window, you can create a unique project name. Choose your company identifier, think of it as your app's fingerprint, and most importantly, pick your immersive experience. visionOS offers different ways to build your AR world, so select the one that best suits your vision. Ready to hit the ground running? Click Next and choose where you want to save your masterpiece. And congratulations! You've just set up the foundation of your very first visionOS app. Xcode will greet you with a project window brimming with starter files. Everything you need to bring your AR dream to life. Take a peek on the left side of the content window. That's your content view, written in Swift using Swift UI. Powerful tools you'll be wielding to design your app. Now, glance to the right. Wow, that's a live preview of your nascent AR world. Pro tip, play around with moving your Xcode window. It's a mind-blowing experience. So, you've built the basics, but the real fun starts now. Let's experience your creation in the visionOS simulator. Simply choose Vision Pro from the simulator drop-down next to your project name, and then hit the glorious Run button. That's it! Hold on tight as your simulator boots up, ready to showcase your AR masterpiece in all its glory. Look! Your app appears right on the simulator's home screen, just like it would on an actual Vision Pro device. This is your chance to refine your creation and truly understand the power of visionOS. Now, here's the thing. Mastering all this tech can be tricky. That's where hiring a good app development company comes in. Think of them as your sous chefs in the VR kitchen. But what makes a good app development team? Here are some key ingredients. Visionary designers. A team with a keen eye for AR design can craft user interfaces that are not only stunning, but also intuitive and engaging. They'll ensure your app is a joy to use in the AR space. Skilled programmers. Top-notch programmers are essential. They'll translate your vision into flawless code, leveraging the power of Swift and Swift UI to bring your AR world to life. AR experts. A team with deep expertise in AR development will understand the nuances of Vision OS and guide you through the intricacies of building an immersive and unforgettable AR experience. And problem solvers. The best teams are resourceful and adept at tackling challenges. They'll anticipate potential roadblocks and work with you to find creative solutions, ensuring your project stays on track. By partnering with a well-rounded ad development team, you gain a wealth of knowledge and expertise. They'll not only streamline the development process, but also push the boundaries of what's possible with Vision OS. Together, you can create an AR app that breaks new ground and leaves users speechless. So, while you can definitely learn the ropes of Vision OS, don't be afraid to call in the pros. It'll free you up to focus on the big picture. That killer VR app idea that's gonna blow everyone away.